Good morning, my dear students. Let's begin a math lesson. For this math lesson, I want you to get ready with some resources. The resources needed for the lesson is whiteboard and marker or a paper and a pencil. You will also need a circle cut out of a paper circle or a cookie if you have it at home. Now, as you are ready with the resources, let's begin. This is a cookie, okay, or a paper circle. You can assume the paper circle to be a cookie. I want you to share the cookie with your mummy today. You only have one cookie. How will you share it with your mummy? How many pieces will you have to cut it into to share it with your mummy? Can you think? Yes, we'll have to cut it into 2 pieces. Now, this is the way I shared the cookie with my mummy. What has happened over here? What has happened to my cookie? I shared with my mummy. Does it look the same? Has my mommy got the same piece of cookie just like mine? Has she got the equal piece? I don't think so. My cookie is smaller and her cookie is bigger in piece. It is not equal. The cookie has to be equal. It is not equal. So today, what are we going to learn? We're going to learn to recognize the half of an object or a shape. Recognize one half of an object or a shape and find one half of an object. Now, these are the words we are going to use today. Whole, half, same, parts, and equal. Let us go further. Oh, that's yummy pizza. Now, I can see one whole pizza. This is called one whole pizza. I have to share this pizza with my mommy. Now, when we share the pizza with our mummy, we have to see that it has been equally shared with both, not like the cookie, a big and a small piece. It has to be equally shared, means both should get the equal piece, the same size of piece. Now let me cut this pizza into 2 equal pieces. For you, can you draw a circle on your whiteboard? And cut the pizza into half and share it with mommy. Let me cut my pizza into half. So I've cut my pizza into half. Does both the sides look similar? Same size? Yes. My pizza looks same size for both, for mommy And for me, does your pizza look the same? Check with your mummies. Did she get the same size? Okay. Now I have cut it into two equal pieces. This is one half. This is half pizza. This is the other half. Correct? Now, I had one whole pizza. When I cut it into two, I got one half and I got half. So I got two half pieces. If I have to write the number in number half, I will write 1 of two equal size. This is half, this is half. Okay, my dear children, both the pieces are exactly the same size. I can write half in words and I can also write half using numbers. In a whole, there are two halves. Let us go further. Can you think of another way to cut the pizza? I cut the pizza from top to bottom. What is the other way I can cut the pizza into? Can you think? Can you try it on your whiteboard? Yes. Let's draw a pizza on a whiteboard and try to make it half. But in another way, not from top to bottom. And the other way can be from one side to the other side, from the left to the right. Is this also half? Yes, this is also half of one whole pizza. Write the half in numbers and in words. This is one of two equal pieces. That's why we write it one of two equal pieces. Okay, my dear children. So we have seen both the ways of cutting the pizza, from top to bottom and from side to side. Here are some shapes. I need to show half of these shapes and these objects. How do I show half? Where do I cut it from? Now on your whiteboard, I want you to draw these shapes: a square, a triangle, and a rectangle. Let's try to cut it into an half. We need to show the half of these shapes. Now how do you show? Let us all do it on a whiteboard. Have you done it? Excellent. Now let me show you how you do it. This is a square. I need to cut it into a half. Is that correct, my dear children? Yes. The triangle and the rectangle. Okay. What about the objects? Let us also try to cut the objects into half. Now for here, do you see the square has been cut into an half? What has happened to a rectangle? It is cut in another way also, from side to side. The heart has been cut from top to bottom, and the butterfly has been cut into a half. And a picture of Palm Jumeirah has also been shown into a half, two equal sides. This is how we make a half of an object and a shape. Both the sides are exactly the same. It's half. I hope you all got it correct. Check your answers. Let's go further. Oh, it's activity time. As we have seen how to make half of an object and a shape, let us have an activity. You can have your activity on seesaw.com. This will be assigned to you by the teacher, and also you can go to activity book 1A, page 42, and cut the cakes into half. Very well done.